How to create a website after buying domain and hosting. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Creating a website can be daunting, especially if you are new to it. But with the right guidance, it can be easy and fun. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to create a website after purchasing a domain and hosting. Once you have purchased a domain and hosting, the first step is to install a content management system or CMS. WordPress is a popular choice for beginners. Log into your hosting provider's control panel and open the Softaculous app installer. Find and install WordPress. Once installed, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can start customizing your website by selecting a theme, and adding pages and plugins. To select a theme, go to the Appearance section and choose from thousands of free and paid themes available online. To add pages, go to the Pages section and create new pages such as About Us, Contact Us, and more. You can also create a home page and set it as the front page. To add plugins, go to the Plugins section and search for the desired plugin. For example, you can install a plugin for SEO optimization, contact forms, social media sharing, and more. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.